بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you will have understood the lecture related to noun and kinds of noun. Now we are going to do exercise related to noun and kinds of noun. Come to page number 10. Question A. Choose the correct kind of noun for the bold words in each sentence. The first one is: the cat drank the milk from the saucer. There are some nouns in each sentence, and we have to answer from the four options. Cat is a noun, milk is also noun, saucer is also noun. The correct option is B. Common, uncountable, common. Cat is common noun, milk is uncountable, saucer is common noun. Second one is: Lubna loves to climb a mountain every Sunday. The correct option is D. Lubna is proper noun, mountain is common noun, Sunday is proper noun. Number third, the history of the city is recorded in a book. The correct option is D. Number 4. His wealth is the envy of his friends. His wealth is the envy of his friends. The correct option is C. Wealth is abstract, envy is abstract, friends plural noun है. Number 5. My family is going to Lahore next month. Family is collective noun, Lahore is proper noun, month is abstract. The correct option is A. Collective, proper, abstract. Number 6. Her fear was her belief in ghosts. The correct option is A. Fear is all abstract, belief is abstract, and ghost is also abstract noun. Number 7. The last one on page 10. My grandfather took us for fishing to Ravi River in Lahore. The correct option is B. Common, proper, and proper. Now student, come to page 11. Number 8. Monkeys swing on the branches of trees. The correct option for this MCQ is C. Monkeys is common, branches more than one, obviously collective, trees common. Number 9. The tablecloth was stand दाग को कहते हैं, दाग, दब्बा. The tablecloth was stand and the water removed it from the table. The correct option for this MCQ is A. Tablecloth is compound noun. What is compound noun? Compound noun is a word having more than one word. Table is one word, cloth is another word. So this is compound noun. The correct option for this MCQ is A. Compound, common, common. Water is common, table is also common. Number 10. She said, your happiness is most important to your husband and mother-in-law. The correct option for this MCQ is C. Happiness is abstract, you can't touch it, you can't see it. Husband is common, mother-in-law, compound, mother, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 words in this word, so we can say this is compound noun, having more than one word. The last one is the group of friends fell into the water of the river. The group of friends fell into the water of the river. The correct option for this MCQ is collective, uncountable, common. C. C is the correct option. Group, more than one, so obviously collective. Water, uncountable, you can't count it. River, common noun है. Now dear student, at page 11, question B, this is a homework for you. The statement of the question is choose whether the bold nouns are common, proper, collective or abstract. How to answer this question? Already we know about कॉमन नाउन. व्हाट इज कॉमन नाउन? आम नाम को कहते हैं. प्रॉपर नाउन, खास नाम को कहते हैं. कलेक्टिव नाउन, हैविंग मोर देन वन इंडिविजुअल, एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ें जो है होते हैं. सपोज ग्रुप को कहते हैं आर्मी, कलेक्टिव नाउन है. ब्रांचेस कलेक्टिव नाउन है. और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट ऑलरेडी यू नो, you can't touch it, having no solid concrete shape. So in each statement, in each sentence, there is bold noun. आपको चाहिए कि ये कौन सा है, कॉमन है, प्रॉपर है, कलेक्टिव है और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट है. नंबर फर्स्ट देखें, ऑनेस्टी bold है. Which one is this? And similarly you can find in each statement bold noun. You are supposed, आपको चाहिए कि इसी तरह इसका आंसर करें. And then take a clear picture.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.